Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Joseph Shenton and I'm a developer at CodeMoreL.tk, and today I'll be showing you how to use the C# and .NET framework called FastColoredTextBox. So basically, FastColoredTextBox is pretty much FastColoredTextBox. FastColoredTextBox is basically a text box that's made for syntax highlighting. So as you can see, we just got it here. So you're just going to want to download the source from GitHub, clicking that, and then download zip. I've already got it downloaded, so I actually don't need to download it. So while we wait for Dish to load, in this video we're just gonna make a single one. But in the next video, we'll most likely make a tabbed controlled one. So we're just going to call this, we'll just go to slash CodeMore slash tuts slash fast FCTB 1 and fast colored text box tut. So make sure it's on C# and Windows Form application. Click OK. Just let it create. Then we got a few things to do. Just let it create. Okay. So here we go. You might want to make it a little bigger here, and I hope I don't already have it in here. By the looks of it, I don't. Yep, I don't. Okay. So just search up FAS. Okay, so you can't do that apparently. So scroll down here and click where it says there are no usable controls. Click choose items. Make sure it's on .NET framework components. Let it load. Click browse and go to wherever you put the FastColoredTextBox -master folder after you extract it. Open it. Click binary and highlight those the FastColoredTextBox.dll and the tabstrip.dll and click open. Click OK and click OK. So now what this will do basically is it'll bring the FastColoredTextBox and the FA tab strip. You're just going to search FastColoredTextBox, double click it. Basically, you just expand it so it fits the whole screen. Then you can go over here, go over to Anchor, set it for every single one of them. Oops, did not mean to do that. Make sure it's still the same there. Yep, okay. So then we'll just run it. All this will have is it'll have the gutter line and the words FastColoredTextBox. But if we do some code, it doesn't have anything. So what we're going to do here is we're going to double click on the form one. We're going to go. So we'll just name this actually, so it makes it easier. We'll name this editor. Oops, exception. Editor. Now we come over here and we go editor.language equals language.html. Save that. Run. Now we can put in some HTML code, and as you can see, it is highlighting it, and we have gutters. So, and you've also got controls and everything, as you can see. Now, that's some really simple stuff. What if we wanted to control it? Well, what we'll do is we'll get a tool strip, drag it to the top here. Actually, I think we might do it at the bottom today, just to get it out of the way. Drag that up. We'll click there. Dock. bottom, group style, hidden, manage render mode, and click professional. So now what this has basically done is it's pretty much just gone ahead and pretty much put a thing at the bottom. Don't know how to really explain it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to make this have a dark theme on it. So just going to go Control A, and I'm going to go F51, 51, 51. Gives it a nice dark theme. So what we can do, so we can go, we don't want a button, we want a drop down button. We want this to be HTML. I don't think there's a JS one. If there's a CSS one, we'll do it C#, LUA. I think there's a PHP one. And so what we'll do now, come over to properties, just name that languages, go to display style, text, and down here, go languages. And what we're going to do here is the color is going to be 255, 255, 255. That just makes the color white. So for each of these, what we're going to do, scroll down until we see shortcut keys, Control, and then Control, Shift, and then whatever the first letter of the thing is, whatever the first letter of the language is. So for me, the first one is H, so that's Control Shift H, and JS is Control Shift J. C# is Control Shift C. Lula is Control Shift L. L. And PHP is Control Shift P. Alright, so now if we just go here, what we can do, copy this, and we just set this to PHP. Going to do this for all of them. So, yeah, Lula, C#, JS, HTML. So if we just have a look what other languages there are, there is SQL, VB, and XML. So we'll just add them. So SQL, VB, XML. So for this one, I think we might have to do a different set of keys. So we'll just do Control Shift Alt S. Actually, for me, that's not good because that'll pop something up. Control Shift do Control Shift Space. Actually, no, we can do Control Shift Alt S for that. Control Shift Alt V. Control Shift V, sorry. And Control Shift X. So double click on that. SQL. VB. And get XML. So now, if we just start this up, you can see we expand that, it all fits perfectly on the window. So we've got HTML here right now, but if we switch to JS, we should be able to do function, help, alert, hi. So you can see, now if we go to Lula, I think all languages actually have function. We'll do SQL. Select asterisk from help where username equal to Joseph. So yeah, you can see it selects the colors. So that's it for this video. Bye.